Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious peanut or groundnut soup. My name is Linda and you're welcome to my channel. So in here I have in some chicken which I've already cleaned and washed. Then I'll go ahead and season the chicken with some bouillon powder and a little bit of salt. You can season your chicken whichever way you choose to. Then I won't be adding any water for this chicken. I'll just go ahead and cover and allow it to cook until they're nice and tender. It's going to generate its own water. So in here I have in some red bell peppers, onion, habanero pepper, stock cube or bouillon powder, and some salt. Then I'll go ahead and transfer them into a blender that I'm going to blend in until they are nice and smooth. So now the chicken has been cooking for some time now and they're nice and tender. So now I'll go ahead and pour in the blended peppers and I'll add some water. Then I'll be adding some smoked shrimp. So I'll go ahead and stir them. I want to say thank you to my new, old and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. If you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead, click on that red subscribe button and be part of this family. So moving on, I have in here some smoked mackerel fish which I'm going to debone. So when I'm done deboning the mackerel fish, I'll go ahead and add them into the chicken broth. So moving on, I have in some peanut butter in a plate. So this peanut butter doesn't have any sugar or salt. It's a plain peanut butter. So I'll be adding some hot water. The reason I'm adding the hot water is because I just took the peanut butter out from the fridge. It's kind of solid. So if your peanut butter is right on the countertop, go ahead and add some water and kind of mix them so that they're light. So now this is how I want the texture of the peanut butter to be. So moving on, I'll go ahead and open the pot. Then I'll be adding the peanut butter. So I'll go ahead and stir them nicely. Then I'll be adding some spices, the crayfish, the pepper soup spice, bouillon powder, and some salt. So then I'll go ahead and stir them. Then I'll be adding a little bit of some more water. If you want yours to be a bit liquidy, you can go ahead and add as much water as you want. But if you want it a bit thick like mine, so you know, be sure to check the amount of water that you're going to use. Peanut butter seems to be very thick when you're cooking, so as you're cooking it becomes thicker and thicker. So if you want it a bit lighter, go ahead, add more water. Then also taste for seasoning, for your salt, for your bouillon powder or stock cube. So the crayfish, you can add the seasoning and adjust to your taste. So I'll be adding some whole habanero peppers just for that color and heat. Then I also went ahead and chopped up some mint leaf or scent leaf just for that aroma. You can add any vegetable of your choice, it's totally up to you. So thank you all so much for watching. The soup is ready. You can enjoy with your swallow or your rice. It's super delicious, guys. Don't forget to like, share my video, subscribe if you've not yet done so. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.